Hi guys, welcome to the video tutorial. In today's video I will show you how to enable emergency gas credit for your in-home display, also reconnecting your gas supply, and how to go about activating your combi gas boiler again so the gas flows. Let's get started. Go to main menu, so it's here. Your one might be similar. Go to e-credit, which basically means emergency credit. Select gas. Okay. Your request for selecting the emergency credit has been sent. So gas always takes a bit longer to top up than electric. Electricity is instant, however gas, it takes approximately half an hour to 1 hour to register in your in-home display. Right, as you can see, I've got credit in here now. Now go to your gas meter. Double tap A button. Your one might be a bit different, but it's similar. So you'll go to this stage now where it says pipe filling. So it's basically pumping the gas around your pipes. Now the flow check is checking the flow of your pipe to see if it's okay. Checks are successful, valve is opened. Now you need to go to your combi boiler, your boiler basically. So this is my boiler, this is how it looks like. So now as you can see, it's on standby mode because it's displaying red. Yes, so we need to get that red off. So your one might be a bit different, but normally there's a button that looks like this. You hold it down. So on your boiler, you may have to hold another button down. Keep trying on different buttons. Eventually, the red will go off, the standby mode will go off, and it will illuminate green momentarily, and then it should work. Yes, so your one might be similar to mine. So I've given you a brief idea how to go about it. Now to check the water. Let it flow. Don't expect hot water straight away. So let me recap. You need to let the water flow if you want to run hot water. So your pipes is running the hot water across. So you got to bear in mind, because it's been deactivated, it's going to take some time for it to warm up again in your central heating system. So leave it on for 1 minute and then it's going to get warm to hot. I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe to the channel and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.